Hello and welcome to film 3, and we're going to do a little bit of acting out to explore the problem and to think about what that problem might feel like, to add some tension to it. So remember, the big problem at first is that Devon has lost the mobile phone. Let's get into role. Here's my hat to sign that I'm becoming Devon. I'm in the cave. I'm going to just act this out without using any words. Okay, so now we have felt what it might be like to be Devon. The mobile phone has got lost. I'm going to do that all over again, and I'm going to think, what do I want? When I'm Devon, what do I want? Okay, here goes. I'm going to vocalise it so you can hear what's going on in my head. Oh, what do I want? I want to be able to see the phone. Is it here? Oh, what do I want? I want it to be easily found. Oh no. Oh, what do I want? I want Dom to know I'm okay. I've got to find it. I want to get out of the cave. Okay, so now we know what was inside Devon's head, and that will help us when we are telling our story, because quite often we're going to tell our story as if we were this character. Now you have a go.